Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Khan and today's topic is operators in programming. What are operators? Operators are special symbols or keyword used in programming language to perform specific operations on operands. Common types includes operators are special symbols. It is a special symbols or a keyword which is used in programming language to perform or to develop a code or to develop simple codes in programming languages. For example, there are three types of operators in a program: arithmetic operators, logical operators, and relational operators. First, arithmetic operators. It is used to perform basic mathematical operations. For examples, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. There is a simple code for this. For arithmetic operation, this is simple code. For header file, then in main function, for first declaration, we have to declare the variables. For int value, this is data int mean data type. Number one, number two for declaring variables. This int again for declaring variables like sum, difference, product, remainder. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction, product means multiplication, and remainder. And this floating value, quotient is floating value, quotient. Then we have to for input to two numbers, we have to print the we have to print enter we have to tell the user to enter two numbers, then to scan the two numbers which has entered by the user, percentage d and percentage d. Then you have to perform arithmetic operations. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2 for addition. Difference num1 is minus num2 for subtraction. Product for product is equal to num1 into num2 for multiplication. Quotient is equal to float. We have to if quotient is a floating value, we have to write float. Num1 divided by num2. Remainder is equal to num1 percentage num2 for then we have to display all this value. We have to use print function, then return uh, to end the this. Then we run the program. We have to enter two numbers. We enter 50 and 25. Enter. Here the result arithmetic operations. Addition 50 plus 25 is equal to 75. 50 minus 25 is equal to 25. 50 into 25 is 112. 12 50. 50 divided by 25 is 2. 50 percentage of 25 is 0. Next, next is our logical operations. It is used to combine two conditional statements. It is used to combine two conditional statements in one. For example, and, or, and not. There is a simple program for this. Here for logical operators. First header file, then main function, then int the data type, then value for this we have to enter the variables, three variables. For example, we have enter a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 0 for checking the value. We have to print the values of the we have to print the values of the integer data type. Then you have to perform logical and is nothing but ampersand double two ampersand. If a is greater than b, then ampersand double ampersand b is less than c. Is nothing but if A is greater than B, then obviously B is greater than obviously C is greater than B. No, you have to see that. First you have to print logical and A is greater than B and B is greater than C is true. If then else uh, then else we have to print logical and if A is greater than B and B is greater than false. Then logical OR. In logical OR, we have to check it is if A is greater than B, then B is less than C or not. We have to see. Printf logical OR. Then you have to print the value. Logical NOT. You have to see it is not it is equal or not. You have to see the equal or not. Then return. Let's run the program. See, the values we have already written. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 0. In logical AND, A is greater than B and B is greater than C. It is true. It is true. In OR, A is greater than B or B is greater than B is less than C. It is true because A is 10 is greater than 5, but 5 is greater than C, not less than C. In logical not we have to check the it is equal or not. C is false, so C is not equal to B, and it will be A and B. Then next, relation operations. It is used to compare values and determine relationships. Relation operation is used to compare the values between two values. For example, equals to in programming language we uses double equals for equals, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Let's check the program for it. Here's the program. First, header file, then main function, then in data type. Then you have to enter two variables. For input two variable, you have to for input two variable, you have to say user to enter the first number, and then first number you have to scan the number what user entered. Then second number. Then you have to demonstrate the relational operations. Printf, uh, backslash and relation operators results. Backslash and you have to show this. Printf percentage d double equals to percentage d is percentage d backslash n. Nothing but is it we have what we have entered the two numbers. It we have first number is percentage d is equals to percentage d. Then the answer will be here. Equals is not equals and many things. Let's run the program. First, you have to enter first number. We'll enter it 40. Then second number will be enter 20. Then enter. Let's see here. 40 is not equals to 2. So 40 is equals to 20 is 0. Means it is not equal to 40. 40 is not equals to 20. It means it is correct. It is true that then the answer is 1. 40 is greater than 20. It is true. Answer is 1. 40 is less than 20. It is false. The answer is 0. 40 is greater than or equal to 20. It is true. The answer is 1. 40 is less than or equal to 20. It is false. This is this much for the program. Let's go to the main tab. Summary. In today's video we have studied about arithmetic operations, a logical operator, and relation operator. Thank you for watching, guys.